Bring it back.
Welcome back to WPNN. My name is Riley.
And my name is Matthias.
Thanks to Hurricane Helen, we get a do-over for Spirit Week. We have combined our new Spirit Week with Red Ribbon Week for our themes.
Please listen to our themes for next week and make plans to participate. Monday will be Team Up Against Drugs, so get with a friend or group of friends and dress up wearing the same kinds of clothing or outfits. You can also wear your favorite sports team jersey.
Tuesday's theme is Drugs Are Bad at Any Age, so pick your favorite decade age and dress up like that time frame.
Wednesday's theme is Pink Out. Almost everyone here has been affected or knows someone who has had breast cancer. So let's recognize this fight by wearing all pink to support Breast Cancer Awareness Month.
Thursday is Character Day, so drag out some of your old Halloween costumes and dress up as any movie, cartoon, book, or any other known character. Please note that our school dress code will still be enforced.
Students, there are some guidelines for that, so listen up. All costumes are to be appropriate for school and should not be offensive in design or intent.
Costumes cannot feature inappropriate themes or characters or reference to drugs or alcohol. Mask or any item that may obstruct your vision is allowed. Makeup or hair coloring must be applied at home and not brought to school.
Lastly, Fridays are school-wide class color days, so seniors will wear black, juniors will wear blue, sophomores will wear gray, and freshmen will wear white.
Panthers following our Spirit Week is Homecoming Dance on Saturday, November 2nd.
If you still need a ticket, you can still buy one during your lunch with cash. The cost is $25.
If you want to bring another person from a different school, guest tickets are handled through Coach Sharon in the front office. See her immediately for the forms and instructions to purchase a guest ticket.
On Monday, they will be handing out physical tickets for online purchases before school and during lunch. Students must turn in a completed permission slip to receive their ticket.
If you have already purchased your ticket, you must have a permission signed by you and a parent or guardian to attend.
You can get a copy of the permission slip online through our school website or pick one up from the media center. The permission slip looks like this.
You will turn in these permission slips at the time that you pick your physical homecoming tickets. Do not give them to the front office, your teacher, or Miss Rock beforehand.
Seniors, Dean Stewart Photography is still accepting students for the senior portrait sessions. There's a minimum $25 deposit for the session. Please sign up ASAP to have your student's senior picture included in the yearbook.
Sign up with the link posted here.
Have you ordered your yearbook for this year yet? If you haven't or don't know how to, please watch the following video presented by our yearbook team.
Yeah.
You can buy your yearbook starting at $80 and the price will increase after January.
You can go to buyyouryearbook.com to pre-order your yearbook today.
Seniors and businesses, don't forget to purchase those ads. See Ms. Lloyd for more information. Mr. Richards, are you going to buy your 2025 yearbook?
Of course I am! Seniors and businesses, you can buy your ads at buytheyearbook.com.
Senior ads start at $53 and business ads start at $75.
And seniors, make sure to submit your baby pictures here before January 1st to be featured in this year's yearbook.
Buy the yearbook! Buy the yearbook! Buy the yearbook!
Panthers, are you in need of volunteer hours? Palm Bay Recreation is looking for volunteers to help you out with their fall festival October 26th.
Come help celebrate the fall season at Palm Bay Recreation's Fall Fest. There will be food vendors, costume contests, trunk or treat, spooky hay rides, music, crafts, and games. The Fall Fest is free to attend.
Students, you will earn volunteer hours for dressing up, scaring people, doing crafts with kids, or working another fun job at this event.
If you are interested in working and earning volunteer hours for this event, please email Daniel Waite and let him know that you would like to volunteer. His email address is right here.
Speaking of the Fall Festival, this coming Tuesday, October 29th, from 5 to 7:30, Heritage High Schools is having their annual trunk or treat. Many clubs, sports, and organizations will be participating.
They will also have a few food trucks here, so make sure you go home, pick up your siblings, or bring your whole family and plans to join us in this family fun event.
Thank you for watching, and remember, Panthers are respectful, responsible, and prepared. Go Big Blue!